Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today we're doing some fixing. We'll be replacing this fan of mine. This one here is giving me issues, so I need to repair it. Okay, have it out. Looks like the design of the fan is a bit different. Obviously, this is the original over here, and this is the one I got, I think, from Take a Lot. So yeah, I need to replace this fan. It almost looks like it's the same design. If we put it something like so, like that, so this screw will come in there. This is that, and I'm assuming there's a screw there, which is this one. So it looks like it's the same design. So let us get it. I'll put you guys on time lapse so that I can get the screws out. It seems like there is a lot of screws. I looks like I need to take out this top cover first, which is screws all over here, and then the screws inside, that I need to take out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go through, see exactly what needs to go out. I've got my toolkit over here. I'll probably be using mostly this guy here and both a P with a 9-day of this guy here because he fits nicely. No, which one is this one? What did I? That's small. This 9-day. Yep, that's the guy. So yeah, I'll probably be using most of this, and I see there's also Phillips that I must use. But yeah, guys, let me put you on the stand and let's try work this guy out. Okay, guys, so I have the laptop all open up now. You can see here's that cover, and yeah, I had to take those two, the battery. I'm not sure what is this. I think this is the hard drive here, and the hard drive out. So I'm at the fan now, and the fan is moving. Just need to unbolt that guy over there, unplug it. I'm assuming this is where this plug goes in, and we should be there. So let me put you guys again on my head and let us move. Hey guys, so seems like I've replaced that. You saw the process there. This is the old one. If I hope you can hear that. So it wasn't uh, spinning freely anymore, and the laptop would get very hot. Even here, it would get very hot when I'm busy editing. So let's switch it on, see if this thing is still working. Still bringing this up. I don't know. I think maybe there's something I must still do because this is the error that I started getting after a while of detecting that the fan has a problem. So I might maybe need to erase that somehow. I'm not sure how yet. So I just had to reboot the laptop. After rebooting the laptop, then it was good to go. So I'm gonna let it go up, guys, and then see if the fan actually kicks in. Hey guys, so successful. The fan is cool. I've been running it now close to like 30 minutes. I can get some. I don't know if you're gonna hear anything, but I can feel that there's some hot air coming from here. I can hear the fan is running. Fan is running. Yeah, I think we're good, man. I think we're good. Laptop running okay. It's not hot anymore. It's handling it nicely. Doesn't make funny noises. So I think it's good in terms of the fan replacement, guys. So there it is. That's the old one again. So I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great and going for those goals of yours, guys. Don't forget, keep it going, keep it moving, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.